I'm here at the Center Furnace Mansion in Center County State College, and next to the mansion is this marker for the birthplace of Penn State. The charter for the Farmers High School of Pennsylvania was signed on February 22, 1855, and on June 26, the Board of Trustees Site Selection Committee visited Center Furnace Mansion to inspect 200 acres offered by the ironmaster James Irvin and enjoy a dinner hosted by Moses and Mary Thompson. After visiting sites across the state on September 12, 1855, the trustee approved Board President Frederick Watt's motion to locate the fledgling school here. I'm here at the Center Furnace Mansion in Center County, not far from Penn State, which is behind me. This marker is for Moses Thompson, partner in Center Furnace with James Irvin, and instrumental in the selection of the site for the establishment of Penn State on Furnace Company land. Thompson resided here at the mansion for 49 years and hosted many trustee meetings and college guests. He served as Penn State treasurer from 1867 to 1874. He was the largest landowner in the county at the time of his death in 1891. Much of his land was eventually acquired by the university. Now, like I said, Penn State is right next to us. Pretty much from that road up the hill on that side is all Penn State. Bryce Jordan Center is over there. Beaver Stadium. Penn State is right over the hill.